Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? Perhaps you have a unique perspective to share, or maybe there's a hobby, passion, or expertise you're eager to express. Today, you'll discover how to turn that dream into a reality with a step-by-step guide on creating your own YouTube channel. The first step in this journey is to create a Google account. This account will be the backbone of your YouTube channel, allowing you to upload videos, comment, and interact with the YouTube community. If you already have a Google account, feel free to skip to the next step. With your Google account set up, navigate to youtube.com and sign in using your Google account details. Look for the Create a Channel option under your account settings and click on it. You're now one step closer to becoming a YouTuber. Now, it's time to name your channel. Choose a name that reflects the content you plan to create. Remember, a catchy, easy-to-remember name can make all the difference when it comes to building a following. With a name in place, it's time to personalize your channel. Add a profile picture, a channel description, and links to your social media or website. These elements can help tell your story and build a connection with your audience. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to upload your first video. Click on the Upload Video button and select the video file from your computer. Add a compelling title, a detailed description, and relevant tags to help viewers find your video. Finally, make your channel discoverable. Enable channel recommendations and share your videos on your social media platforms. Engage with your audience through comments and build a community around your content. In summary, creating a YouTube channel involves 6 steps. First, create a Google account. Then navigate to YouTube and click on Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your content and personalize your channel with a profile picture, a channel description, and social links. Upload your first video with a compelling title, description, and tags. Lastly, make your channel discoverable and engage with your audience. Remember, consistency is key on YouTube. Keep creating and uploading videos regularly. Engage with your audience and take their feedback into account. With time and dedication, your channel can grow, and who knows, you could be the next big thing on YouTube. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to turn that dream of yours into a reality. Go ahead, create that YouTube channel and start sharing your unique perspective with the world. Best of luck on your YouTube journey.